Hi students, in this exercise we will add height and show boundaries to our surfaces in AutoCAD Civil 3D. In the previous exercise we create our outer boundary with destructive break lines in Civil 3D, and now we will exercise about height and show boundaries. In the prospector, right click to the boundaries. It will under the surface, existing surface. Then we have definition, and here we have boundaries. Okay. So in prospector, right click boundaries and select add option. Then here for the name you can write building, because I am going to create this for the building. And then type should be height, and non-check should be non-destructive break line should be unchecked. Then press OK and select the outer of the cyan building in the northwest portion of the site. Then press enter. You should now have a void in your surface where the building exists. So when you will look at your surface in object viewer, you can see a void in your surface. Now again right click to the boundaries and then select add option once again, and here put the name courtyard. Okay, and type should be show, and then uncheck against non-destructive break lines. Then press OK and it will ask you to select the object. Now select another polyline inside the house and press OK. So now click OK, then press escape to clear the selection. You should now see an island of surfaces data inside the previously hidden location. So if you will look them in your object viewer, you will see this hide surface into show surface. This area will be show as a show surface, and another this area will be show as a hole in your surface. Hope you like this video. For more, stay